What's up, tubers? This is Ray from rwcweb.com. Rare Computers since 1996. Just doing a follow-up. Had a comment on a video with the Favicons. Okay, gonna explain it in a little bit more detail. Now, this is Webstarts, the ultimate drag and drop. Okay, you can get a free subdomain with Webstarts. I got the link in the description. If you're not already signed up to the Webstarts. Now, over the years, I've learned a lot about doing graphics. Matter of fact, before I found Canva, I had the creativity of a lettuce leaf. Now, I happen to know that on Webstarts, let's increase this a little bit. Okay. When you go into your dashboard and you see your website, you've got the sprocket here. I'm going to click on it. Okay. And it's got the option to add your Favicon. Now, years ago, when we used to do it in coding, this is what the actual code would look like. Okay. So, fortunately, with Webstarts, they put it right at your fingertips. Okay. I like to use Canva. I'm going to create a custom size. So again, I happen to know it's 512 by 512. Now, a good rule of thumb when you create your Favicons, because I can give you a little quick history. Favicons come from the word icon, which in the old days we used to call these icons. Okay. Nowadays they call them shortcuts. I don't know how they are on Mac, but this is on a PC. Anything you see here with this little arrow is a shortcut. Okay. Anything without the arrow is the direct link to the program. Now, usually these icons are encrypted in the program itself or come included as a file. Okay, let's get rid of that. Okay, so the word Favicon is basically adding it to your favorites, and now it has an icon. And you could see the ones that pop out. Okay, you could see the ones that pop out. Here, here, here. This is actually mine from my old DOS Geek websites, okay? Again, it's all relative to the computer that's being looked at, and you know how they got their graphics set up. Okay, I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna search for I'm just gonna use the letter R. Okay, we'll go into the elements. A couple came up there. Now again, you're gonna want to make it pretty simple. Okay, maybe we'll take this here. See how this looks. If I right click on this, okay, it doesn't give me the option like a picture to set it as the background. I'm going to make this pretty brilliant. Let's make it yellow. See how that might stand out. Okay, and I'm going to make it as big as possible. And again, it's always a good rule of thumb to have your graphics ready to go before you do anything online. Okay. So let's see what we could do with the background. Maybe make it red. Kind of looks like Robin's little logo from Batman and Robin, the original. But that's okay. It's for the sake of this video. Okay, so now it's, again, you don't have to have it at 512 by 512. It'll still take a picture. They just recommend that. Okay. I'm going to download it. Alright, we'll just keep it as the Untitled design. I'll put it right there on my desktop. We can have a look at it, see how it came out. Alright, basically the same thing. Now we're going to go back to the Webstarts, and remember, from the dashboard, okay, the dashboard of your site, or if you got the paid version of this, it might be in a different spot. Let's go get the icon. Now that really sticks out right there. Okay. And that's what you want. Now if you got a logo, just a regular logo, okay, without no lettering on it or anything like that, you'll want to make it a brilliant color for it to really stand out. Basically what it is it's just so people could see it better when they're searching for you. Okay, so let's give that a save. Alright, so it's right there. It's not too bad, not too bad. You can see it pretty good. See how it goes next to my other one there. Okay, so basically, again, you're going to want it to be a little bit of a brilliant color. Webstarts, it's great because they have these things like this. You can do your site map, you can do your verification file, and so forth. All these great features. Okay, now I can show you a little trick also. Made this earlier. I selected this out of the icons. Okay, and there's a gazillion places online you can make your own logos, usually for free. And again, I pretty much have the creativity of a lettuce leaf. But I took this from the icons menu, So now let's see, I'm pretty much a website guy. So let's go with this one. And I'll delete this one. That actually looks like a WordPress thing. Okay. So if you want to make a logo, like I actually made the logo here on my see, this is a picture. I actually made it right in Webstarts. As a matter of fact, I made this whole blog in the free Webstarts subdomain. Okay, I'm going to open the image in a new tab. Okay, and basically how I made this, I went into Webstarts, I set it up like this, and then I took the stock Windows snippet tool. Okay, that comes stock with Windows. I'm not sure how it comes with, if it comes with Macs, but I know it comes in Windows. And boom, I just grab it, and I can just save it as an image. Okay, not going to do that right now. Okay, that's the Windows snippet tool. It's a fantastic little program. And again, I'm not too creative when it comes to a lot of graphics and stuff. I've learned the colors over the years and different things like that. Okay, when you're promoting your affiliate websites, there's psychological things that go on with this color. Okay, what I'm going to do is I got this, it's called a color wheel, and it shows you the different emotional colors, what they call emotional colors. Like the red is a call to urgency, the blue is a comfort color, it's a color of trust, and so forth. It's all based on our psychological attitude of how we shop and how we get emotionally detached to certain things. Okay, so it's pretty interesting, all that stuff. But today I just wanted to go over again and make it more clear on how to make your Webstarts Favicon. So this is Ray, Rayware Computers since 1996, rwcweb.com. Got my YouTube channel. Gonna ask you to like and subscribe. And please leave a comment. Really appreciate the feedback that everyone's given me. Been getting a lot of nice emails from people. And I hope all my videos can help you out in your journey to affiliate marketing and whatever you're doing online. By all means, don't hesitate to contact me with any questions or concerns you might have. And even if you want me to put something together for you, I'll certainly help you out with that. That's not a problem. Take care.